I've been, no, you've not been told. You've been rung up by the butler asking you not to let me on the bus, and that's harassing the bus staff. So, I can't because they refuse to speak to me. They ask me to go away when they're going to call the police. No, you can't take me on. You haven't been told not to. You've been rung up by Paul Butler on my mobile phone that's been stolen. The police are out looking for him because he is killing people by stealing my mobile phone and bringing up people that he doesn't know, and you're allowing him entry on the bus as me as his carer. You as staff know I'm allowed on the bus, but have been accepting me on the bus with him, and I need to get home. I've got to go to the police station and ask them to take me home because they've asked me to get on the bus, and they've asked me to stay at the bus station because they're not picking me up from the police station because Paul Butler's ringing the bus station saying banner on the bus. You brought me from Shanklin the other day, and I have been back yet. One of you bus drivers brought me from Shanklin the other day, yeah, and I got taken home by the police because this guy is hostaging me at my address. Every morning he wakes up, he gets your bus to stand outside my address that he is breaking into. By law, you have to let me on the bus with my bus pass that's been stolen by Michelle Brogan. You do. Call the police then, because that's what the police have asked me to do. The police have asked me to have you call them because you're wasting police time. You are wasting police time. You're not going to call the police, you're going to do what? Call the inspector.
I was going to, oh no, I was only going to find out.
No, you don't believe what an inspector tells you unless it's been told by head office, not Jackie Debbie. Jackie Debbie's your bus driver that reported to me as being a known paedophile. Yes, she is. You are an employment staff, work together in employment, mate. Not try to get a vulnerable woman that is... Shut up!
Yeah. Yeah. You want to go home?
My secure unit on the appointment. I don't want to commit suicide because the bus driver thinks I'm some kind of known sex offender when I'm being followed round the street for every item in my handbag. No, but you've been on the phone to the police, haven't you? Because the same thing's happened to you, but I'm sick of it. I've put up with it ever since I come back to this island to save you lot. Do you call the police, please? I like to speak to police.
Some of us just want to go home.
I think I'm waiting at bus stop. You've been told that I'm banned. You've been told that I'm banned, and I've been told by the police to wait on the bus for the police, and they want to investigate why you're using the entrance. I'm safeguarded on the Southern Vectis buses. I am safeguarded on the Southern Vectis buses. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
You get it every other day, is that right?
You get everything. Read the police, please. I'd like to find out why I'm banned.
Well, mate, why is she banned? She's been banned for you.
I've been banned for years. I've been getting on the bus every day.
Well, she would have done to you, that's what it is. You're very much banned for this all.
By the police or by individual staff members?
No, it was by Southern Vectis.
Pardon?
Southern Vectis was banned.
No, Jackie Debbie. I was told by a bus driver called Jackie Debbie that she has banned me, and it's been investigated on the news that it's not knowledge on the bus. The woman has no right.
Right, though. Nothing this over the years was banned.
I'd like to speak to the police.
Well, if you want to go on the bus, let's get a mark for it.
I'd like to speak to the police.
Yeah, I'm not. I'm not the police. If you want to jump off, they'll get the police to jump in.
Kind of what's
Okay,
next?
go on, go.
What's your name? Who's your managing inspector today?
Right.
Okay, so David's happy to talk to the police about who's important.
Oh god, we have a good time when the bus gets turned off.
Come on, shut her off. Oh, she's on.
Is that the lady that was talking?